Hey beauties, it's Nikea here with a makeup video for you. It's been a while since I've done just like a typical regular makeup video. I know I was doing my monochromatic makeup series, which I have more videos coming down the pipeline for those looks. But I watched one of Jackie Aina's videos the other day where she was doing a review on Morphe's foundation and their concealer. And the eyeshadow look that she did was so amazing. And so this look was inspired by that. I really loved it because it was bold and beautiful and pretty, and it was something outside of my comfort zone. So I was like, let me try it, and I'm gonna go ahead and film it, and boom, you get this. So before we get into the video, if you haven't already, make sure that you go down below and subscribe. And then once you subscribe, that bell notification button is gonna pop up. Click that so that you never miss when I upload. Join the club. Yeah. And one more thing, I started the video with my base already done because the focus is the eyes. If you want to see my foundation routine or the base of my makeup routine, I will link some videos down below in the description box and also in the cards so that you all can check those out for your viewing pleasure. But now for the moment you all been waiting for. Let's get into this LEWK Hunty. Okay? Okay. Alright y'all, we're gonna get into this eye look. My base is already done because the focus of this look is the eyes. Alright, so first I'm going to have a base for my eyes. So I'm going to use this concealer palette and use this as a base. Alright, first up I'm going to use the Nubian 2 palette, and I'm going to use this orange color Morocco as the transition color on my lids. I wanted to go real bold and bright and use some different colors, you know, step outside of my comfort zone of typical dark brown smoky eyes and my typical purple burgundy color. And I'm blending this right into the shadow base and took that all the way up to my brow bone. Now I'm going to go into the Jaclyn palette from Morphe. I'm going to use this brown color right here. It's called Chip. It's like a brown with some burgundy and reddish tones in it. So I'm going to take this fluffy blending brush here and I'm just going to apply that to my outer V and then just sweep that in. Just packing it on and then blending it out, following the shape of my eye. And I'm blending that up above my crease, into it and above it as well. Then I'm going to stay in the Jaclyn palette and I'm going to use the color Jax right here, which is a burgundy matte color. Use the same brush but the other side and pack that right on top and go into the crease and just blend that up and out into that brown color. Alright, now going back to the Nubian 2 palette, I'm going to use this green color here called Egypt and a large shader brush and pack that all over my lid and meet that burgundy and that brown color that I already placed up there. Alright, I'm going to use this large fluffy brush and I'm going to go back into Morocco from the Nubian 2 palette and just add some more of that orange back above the shadow. And then I'm going to go back into the Jaclyn palette into Jax, which is that burgundy color. And then I'm just going to lightly blend that green color Egypt with the burgundy color Jacks. Using this small blending brush. And also bringing that a little bit above Egypt as well. Alright, now I'm going to use this pointed detail brush. And I'm going to go back into those matte colors. So starting with Morocco. I'm going to bring those down to my lower lash line. To complete the look. Round it off. Nice. Where's this? Let me switch to this small blending brush. Then I'm going to go back into, was it chips? Go back into Jacks from the Jaclyn Hill palette. And then I'm going to go into chip. And I'm just going to put that on the outer corner and connect it up to the top. Alright, we are done with the shadow part. So now I'm going to line my top lash line with this eyeliner pen from BH Cosmetics in black. Forgot to do my inner corner highlight. So I have this iridescent shadow from MAC called Gorgeous Gold. And I'm gonna put that right in the inner corner. Blend it up with that green. This is like an iridescent yellow color. So I thought this would be perfect because it had some green flecks in it can pick up on. And it's turning green itself. Now I usually don't do this, but I'm going to line, focus camera, I'm going to line my lower lash line. And I have this kohl liner from e.l.f. right here. And this works really well in the lower lash line. Alright, I'm going to be wearing some lashes from BH Cosmetics. They're in D301. They're like not staying on this tray. But this is what they look like. So I'm going to prep those. And let those set while I start doing other stuff on my face. Alright, for my blush, I'm going to use this trio here from Coastal Scents. It's my go-to. And I didn't mix them, I'm just layering them on. Starting with the darkest color. Alright, then to highlight, I'm going to use a highlight from the It's My Ray Ray palette. And I'm going to use Moonlight. And I'm going to start with very little because this one is pigmented. You see, look, there's just a little bit and it's just already showing up. But I like this one because it has a yellow, greenish flecks in it to go with the eye look and the iridescence of that tear duct highlight. And now I'm just blending it out. I'm not going to add any more because that is enough. These, look at the cheekbones, honey. What? Alright, lips. Alright, this is Wet n Wild Pencil and Simma Brown now. It's the same shade that I use for my brows. Alright, then I'm going to use Naturally Chic from Milani and go right behind that lip liner. Almost blending them together. Then I'm using this color Nude Shell from Maybelline. Popping that in the center. And then I'm not usually a gloss girl, but I love the way this looks. So I'm going to use this gloss. It's called Lilas from Laugh Out Loud. Probably got it from a beauty supply store. It provides a nice gloss without being too glossy. Before we put lashes on, mascara. Alright, now lashes. Hopefully the glue didn't dry down too much.
Bye-bye.
Not yet.
Bye-bye.
Not yet. Mama. Not yet. Mama. All right, beauties, here is the finished look. Move my bangs. Yeah, I had to put my wig on. Rocking these protective styles for my 90-day hair growth challenge, you know. But that's the finished look, y'all. I love it. This is inspired by a look that Jackie Aina did. I think it was in her Morphe foundation review video. That's where I got the inspiration for this look from, and it's really like stepped outside of my comfort zone, so I really like it. And my fiance actually took some pictures of it the other day. I can't wait till he drops those. Y'all gotta go check him out. But that's it, beauties. Thank you so much for watching. But before you go, make sure you go down below and click that subscribe button, and right next to that, click that bell notification button so that you never miss when I post. Like I always say, it's free, it's easy, and it's fun. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.